What's going on, y'all? Valkyrion here. Got a routine that I came up with that I've been doing lately. A certain type of flow. But I figured I would kind of show you how it looks, show you what you need to be able to do it, and then teach you how to do it. And it kind of ties in all of the other aspects of the tutorial videos that I've been putting up lately, so you can kind of see how everything that I talked about kind of comes together. The only thing that I haven't really worked out here yet is footwork. I'm not moving too much in this just because there's a lot of tossing around. I think a week or two more of me practicing this, and I'll put some movement in, and that'll make it look even cooler. So here's the routine first. Hopefully I don't drop it. We'll see how it goes, and then I'll explain how to do it. All right, here we go. That was a little sloppy. But, so basically what you need, and hopefully at the end one will be a little bit more impressive. You need forward spins, both on your onside and on your offside. You'll be doing them on the same side, kind of like an OB in it. You also need backside spins on both sides. So forwards and backs, you need your OB-Annie. You need the OB-Annie pass behind the back, which I've shown before, but just to go over it one more time. It's an OB-Annie, and then instead of drawing it out and doing the rest of the OB-Annie spin and bring it around, you just continue to spin behind your back. You catch it in your other hand, and then you spin it out and do it backwards, and another backwards for our technique here. And then I think the only other thing that I really need to talk about is tossing, which I've shown in my last videos, but if you've been following tutorials, you've got those half spins. Now we're doing full spins, which I haven't went over, but it's basically the same thing. You just got to practice getting that full spin there. So it's the same toss as a half spin. Oh God, putting the two next to each other, jeez. Half spin, full spin. Same technique, you just have to kind of lift your elbow, toss it a little higher, and then the timing for when you catch it is a little bit different. But anyway, I digress. So this is the kind of the routine how it goes. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to do a forward spin on your onside, followed by a forward spin on your offside, but instead of doing it over here, you're just going to do it on your side still. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to say you need to do a forward spin on your right side, and then another forward spin still on your right side, but along the left side of your elbow. So just like this, kind of like you're doing an OB-Annie, but off to your side. But when you get about right there, you toss. And that toss is right about here. You're going to let it go. It's going to do a full 360, and you're going to catch it in your hand again. So again, slowly do it from the side. Off, onside, offside, let go, full 360 spin, catch. Just like that. After that catch, after you've made that initial catch off that first 360 spin, you caught it. Not like that, you actually caught it. But we've caught it now. So now that you've caught it here, just get my head in place, yeah, right there. As you catch, you're going to start at an OB-Annie. Just like that. So outside, inside, toss, catch, here, OB-Annie. And as you bring the OB-Annie around in front of you, you're doing a backward spin now to bring it back over to do another OB-Annie, just like that. But instead of bringing it around, you're going to toss again. Same thing, full 360 degree spin, catch it in your hand. So OB-Annie, full 360 degree spin, catch it in your right hand. So to recap so far, forward spin on the inside, release, full 360, catch, turn it into an OB-Annie. At the end of the OB-Annie, throw, full 360, catch. As you catch the end of that OB-Annie throw, you're going to do another OB-Annie, but instead of a full OB-Annie, this is the OB-Annie behind the back toss. As you bring it around your back here, it is a reverse or backwards spin, followed by another reverse backwards spin, and then that third reverse backwards spin here. And when you do it here, you're going to toss again, full 360, catch it in your other hand. That sounds like a lot. Let me explain. So as you catch it from the second toss, it's an OB ante behind the back. We know how to do this. As soon as you get it behind your back, you bring it out. That's a backward spin to bring it out forward. So just like this, followed by another backward spin behind your back. And then as you start another backward spin in front of you, it's that same toss, full 360, and you want to catch it in your dominant hand. So you're doing a toss from your left to your right, but a full 360. Just like that. So, slowly and then at speed, so far you've got outward, inward, toss, catch, OB ante, toss, catch, OB ante behind the back, 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 toss, catch, and then to finish it off, you're going to do 3 OB antes, and on the third OB ante, you're going to do another toss. So OB ante, OB ante, OB ante. At the end of your OB ante, toss again, catch, and then I like to end with a reverse, reverse, forward, and you're in a OB1-ish stance. Okay, so to go slowly from the top, outward, inward, toss, OB ante, toss, OB ante behind the back, 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 as a backwards again, toss, catch, OB ante, OB ante, OB ante, toss, backwards, backwards, forward, OB1 stance, or whatever you want to call it. And if you can turn your body, it'll be better. Okay, so I will show that again. I will do it from the back so you can kind of see what it'll look like for you. You're right-handed. Out, in, toss, OB ante, toss, OB ante behind the back, toss, backwards, backwards, backwards in front of you, toss, catch it in your on hand, OB ante, OB ante, OB ante, toss, backwards, backwards, forward, stance. And hopefully at speed, and I'm screwing this up. And then I screwed it up at the end. One more time. Let's not mess it up. I'm gonna drop it at the end, but it ends like that. Okay, so that's the whole thing. That's how it all goes together. I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm not gonna think about it, and hopefully not screw it up, and that'll be the end of the video. So just one more time, I'll just talk through it. Outside, inside, forward spins, toss, catch, OB ante, toss in front of you, catch, OB ante pass behind your back, backward spins, toss, catch in your on hand, OB ante, OB ante, OB ante on the third OB ante, toss, catch, backwards, backwards, forward, stance. That's the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna not screw up the actual execution this time, and then I will catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.